Christina G here, and this is my artistry. You're looking at a 16 by 20 canvas, and I'm showing you my push pins. I get the jumbo size to keep the canvas off of the table surface so that you can pour right. And today, what we're doing is a swipe. So, what I'm pouring is lines of paint, and the first one is a deep phthalo blue, and I'll add a description below of all the paint colors I use. The next one is a deep violet. The third one is a green I made up, so good luck with knowing what that was. And then we have gold, orange, yellow, and then I sort of repeat the colors again. I don't have a lot of paint here. I'm dripping, so just dripping some blobs there that I have left out of the cup and just hoping to pour what was left at the end. And now I'm going to use saran wrap to swipe down the blue to the end of the canvas. Now I have this sort of sped up. I went actually a little bit slower than this so that I could really pull the paint all the way across. And this is like my first successful swipe. I only did one other than this and I was just horsing around, so I'm actually pretty happy about how this turned out. At the end there, I did run out of paint with the swipe, so I could have probably had a little bit more paint on the canvas, but I fixed that up later. So look at that. It's just now like showing up, like the bubbles and the oranges and the greens, they're just showing up. I'm neatening up some of the corners here, but look, that's pretty neat, right? Just swiping some paint across a canvas and you can get this effect. So I need to add a little more paint to the bottom half there to sort of get the other paint to move. So I do add a little more of that dark color just because that's mainly what I had left. And I'm gonna just add some more and clean up those edges a bit. And I'm gonna start moving that paint. Look how fun that is. Look at that, shift, shift. I love that the cells are opening up. The green and the orange together is really pretty, and that secret little violet is just slightly under there. I actually wish I used a little more violet. So now I'm shifting off the corners so that I can get a really nice effect. And ooh, let's bring this down slow-mo. I love seeing the cells move. Maybe that makes me weird. Let's do it one more time. And slow-mo. All right, I mean, now all that I need to do is torch a bit. And I don't torch too much because I don't want any more cells opening up. I think I have plenty of cells there. I just want to pop some of those little bubbles. And again, just paying attention to edges. Some spots on the right there needed a little more care. And that's it. Look how that turned out. It's pretty neat for a second attempt. Thanks for watching. Bye.